Okay, in this problem, let's see, an event planner wants to provide enough seating for 1,147 people. Okay, so this is our total. Uh, these seats are in two different places. We have the main floor, has 29 rows with 23 seats in each row, and the balcony has 24 rows. Okay, so here's our question. How many seats must be in each row of the balcony? Okay, well, we know there needs to be a total of 1,147 seats. And on the main floor, and notice I have a very basic visualization. Anytime you could draw a picture to represent the problem, it's usually a good idea. So this, the rectangle on the left, I've labeled main floor. So we have 29 rows. So 29 rows going this way, and each row has 23 seats. So something like this. So how many total seats are there in the main floor? Well, 29 rows, 23 seats each row. So we basically have 29 groups of 23. So let's pop open the calculator there. 29 times 23. Okay, so there's 667 seats in the main floor. So let's do that. 29 times 23 equals 667. So that means the rest of the people have to sit in the balcony. Okay, so of those 1147, we've accounted for 667. So what's left? 1147 minus the 667 people that are sitting on the main floor. Okay, so let's clear this. 1147 minus 667. So there's got to be 480 people in the balcony. Okay, so there's got to be, so let's come back over here. There's got to be 480 people in here. We know there are 24 rows. Okay, so let's label that this way. So there's 24 rows in here, and there has to be a total of 480 seats. So that 480 has to be split up 24 ways. So let's do 480, and let's divide that up into 24 equal groups. See what we get. So 480, and we'll divide that by 24. Okay, so that gives us 20. And let's just make sure that that works. So if we have, I'll highlight this in blue, if we have 667 in the main floor, if we have 24 rows, and in those 24 rows, we have 20 people per row. What's happening here? 20 people per row. 24 times 20 is 480. So does that work? 667 plus 480. Let's just double check that to make sure it works. So 667 on the main floor, 480 on the balcony, and yes, that gives us the 1147 we want. This is the nice thing about mathematics. You could always verify your answer to make sure it works. And my advice, when you're going through the final exam, when you get your answer, plug it back in to make sure that it makes sense, that it works in the context of the problem.